Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today was a fantastic day to start a new financial year. The small cap index was up more than 3%, the mid caps almost close to 2%. I think we couldn't have asked for a better start to this financial year, right? So if you were following my videos, you would have seen how the data kind of predicted that there would be this move that would be coming in after the strong accumulation that we saw in March, right? Usually whenever the data is very strong, the index rallies. Even the stocks which were accumulated, they also rally, right? So there is also one good news. So whoever is going to be subscribing for the videos of the accumulation distribution course, those guys will be getting a lifetime access to this particular data, which is going to help them through a bull cycle, bear cycle, or a sideways cycle. The data is going to keep on guiding them to know what is going to come in the next few weeks or few months, right? So if in case you want to subscribe to those videos, the course videos, you can ping me on Twitter. I will guide you, right? So that is about that. And also very strong up move. So the next resistance for the small cap index, if you look at the resistance, it is after another 2 3 or 4%, right? So somewhere around this level we can expect some resistance for the small cap index. So if you look at the mid cap index, so the mid cap index also, I was thinking that it is going to make a shoulder here, but it has crossed that. So the next resistance for the mid cap index would be hardly a percent from here, right? So the Nifty, although the Nifty kind of made a new all-time high today, but then there was a little selling that came in. Usually that comes in whenever it tries touching a new high, right? Usually the people who were trapped at these levels, right, they would want to kind of get out. So usually they put some pressure by selling it. Once that selling is absorbed, we can expect the Nifty to also make a new high, right? So this is what usually happens whenever any stock or an index kind of tries making a new high. There would be some selling pressure. Once that is absorbed, you would go up higher, right? So now comes to the main point, that is the data. So if you look at the data was quite low today, right, compared to what we were seeing previously. And even if I compare it to April of previous year, it is still quite low, right? So let's see how the data also plays out over the next few days, because only then we would be able to get a clearer picture whether there is no fresh money kind of being deployed by the big guys at the current levels, right? If the data is pretty good, then we can expect the rally to continue, right? So usually the big guys would not want to buy when the index is up like 3%, right? They would want to buy when it is like up around like 0.5 or even in the negative, right? Usually that is the time then they are very active. When the index itself is up like 3% or 5, the stocks are up 5-6%, that is not the time they kind of pour more money, because their buying average itself kind of becomes higher, right? If they buy when the market is kind of moving higher, their buying price also becomes higher, right? So let's see how the data plays over the next few days. That is going to guide us whether we kind of make a top, or we even extend this rally, even making a new all-time high in all the indices. Nifty looks like definitely it is going to make a new high, but the broader market, only the data will kind of guide us what is going to happen, right? Hopefully this helps. Thank you.